Now let's do our day-to-day entries. Our first entry is purchase furniture by giving cash. That means this is a non-trading activity because our main trading business is selling and purchasing of car parts. So this is non-trading activity. So any kind of non-trading activity will be booked from journal entry. Just bear this in mind. Because for the trading activities, there are proper areas for that. Means if you have purchased the items, that is a trading item. That means it is a purchase invoice. So you will enter it from purchase invoice. But if it is a non-trading activity, means purchasing of furniture or you're paying rent for the building, these are all non-trading activity which is not connected to your trade. So all of these transactions can be booked from journal entry. So let's do the journal entry for this purchase furniture by giving cash. Actually, let's copy the description because I need to enter the description in the journal entry. So in order to do the journal entry, I'll go to company section, and from there I'll find this option, that is journal entry. So go to this option, and my date is 3rd January 2020. So just change the date to 3rd January 2020, and you can mention any reference number, but for now I'll mention 1001. Now since we are purchasing the furniture by giving cash, that means one asset in the form of furniture is increasing and one asset in the form of cash is decreasing. So whenever the asset is increased, it is debit, and when the asset is reduced, that is credit. So at the same time, one asset is increasing and one is decreasing. So this is the complete journal entry of it. So I'll just debit furniture. So I can just directly browse it and then scroll down for the asset section and find furniture and fixture. Now I can easily find that because it is an asset area which can be found in now I am able to find this easily. That's because it needs a little bit of scrolling because it is already in the asset section, which comes on the top of this chart of accounts. But say if you want to find this from lots of chart of accounts, you can just use the find function as well. From here I'll just click find and then write furniture, click OK. So it will take you directly to that ledger. So just click that. Now in the description, I'll just copy this purchase furniture by giving cash and paste it in the description. I think there is some formatting mistake here. Let's copy this again. Just press tab, it will automatically correct this. Now my first entry is of 200,000. So 200,000. Just be careful with the zeros and press tab and tab to go on the second line. Now credit is cash in hand. So it automatically copies the description that is above this, and under the credit section, I'll mention 200,000 as credit, and then we can simply save it. Now this is how you make the journal entries in PeachTree.